Oh, I was really hoping I was gonna give dope content, amazing content, but unfortunately, the one thing that I've always, the one thing that I've always said I hope I never need is something that I need right now. So in South Africa, you hopefully don't need the carbs, but yeah, it's the full moon today. I was hoping we would would get into the episode of why we're here, of the full moon rituals, or if you don't like the word rituals, the stuff that we do to optimize on the full moon. But yeah, here we are. Had an attempt to break in again. Yeah, I think this is my set season thing. But manja, people want us to be dealing with them Africanly, and yeah, we don't want to open up these portals, especially got the new moon where things are going to intensify. But I think the one thing that pissed me the F off about this encounter, so the timing was the load shedding, so there's no load shedding, so they could nicely sneak into the yard. So I go there, witchtok, I go put out my crystals, because Mwiti is out in her glory. It's a super moon, and yeah, it's a super moon in Capricorn. So yeah, and I just bumped into two guys and I asked if I can help, and they literally that linyat or the derero, the disrespect to even say no, we're still deciding on what it is that we want to do in our yard. So I'm bored actually. I'm bored more than frightened, more than anything, Guti. Like the peace that we seeketh, people seeketh it not. So sorry that we're gonna miss on the rituals this full moon, but yeah, just a touch. And what I also wanted to fit into the next lesson that I was gonna give is that it's the full moon in Capricorn. So Capricorn, as we know in our calendar, the one that our solar calendar, the one that we're using down here on the southern hemisphere, is our principal Neptune, which is the sweethearts of Set. So I wanted to also give that little, that sensor light is just triggering without, maybe that's just spirits moving here, I don't know. But the sweetheart of our principle that we're in now, Set, which consistently young Nisa. But yeah, I'm here. I'm always, it's one of my favorites because it just takes you to the edge, or me in this case, So yeah, I hope you've been cognizant of the relationship dynamics that you're in right now. Hope that whatever disharmony that's happening is happening as a distraction to bring the harmony. All right, remember when we started with our set lesson. So before I derail again, so sweetheart was Set is Neptune. So Set in the northern hemisphere base calendar, or with the zodiacs that give the Cancerian, right? Cancer, and then Capricorn gain Neptune, but we know we're always gonna invert this. So yeah, for those who are looking for, oh my god, who's my perfect match? I forgot to do it with the other seasons, who your sweetheart is, but yeah, I hope we're not leaving still, right? So every new season will go into the who is recommended to date, who your energies will highly or likely align with. All right, so that is what I wanted to share. And I had a Sotho speaking healer over the weekend, and I was hoping we would share content, but we'll make a plan since everything is digital. Make a plan, drop content from a Sotho perspective, because not everything is umguni, not everything is umdao, but there's also other spheres, and how Basotho ba mona or Basotho yeah, how things are done as Lesotho. And yeah, also this is the same person who taught me when I was researching actually okay the chakra ke eng hantle ka setho, because I always want to take everything and bring it back home. Yeah, so right now I'm just waiting for the elders the elders to say okay, what is the next step forward. Yeah, I'm supposed to be at the plantain. Yeah, making my way to the plantain now. But yeah, yeah, so I do not apologize in advance for the spells I'm going to participate in, calling upon that, you know, because yeah, you don't want where you also live to not be a respectable place where somebody can literally decide to tell you ukuthi no sisa decide ukuthi sifuna ukwenzani. Yeah, so enough about the personals. Yeah, so I'm just waiting for the elders to take it forward. Yeah, uncle my aunt, even though it's not that kind of vibe. But yeah, I get shocked. I don't decide yo, am I intensifying the stuff, the energy that is aligning with the season or not? Yeah, it's the disrespect. But yeah, I get my aunt happy today.